Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. We're going to quickly go through the latest COVID updates, as well as some interesting articles from the Ladbible here. So I find it quite interesting. We're going to quickly go through that regarding the petition itself. Let's start off with Ladbible, which is a very big page with millions of followers. So we're going to go through this article. Thousands of people signed petition to allow learner drivers unable to book a test to drive on roads, which we already discussed previously. So I find it really interesting. Let's see what they're saying in the article. More than 20,000 signed the petition, but if you look at the petition, it's almost 40,000. So maybe this is a day old, or by the time it's Sunday 17th of January saying, so by the time they've introduced it, it's gone up to 20 more extra thousand people who signed up. Okay, a petition to allow driving instructors. Yes, we know. Let's see what they're saying in terms of what people expect from it. Allow driving instructors to pass learners unable to book. Okay, it is unfair on learners who have been unable to book a test due to the pandemic to have to wait a significantly long time to have access to booking one. Let me know if you guys have been waiting a long time. How many times have you guys booked a test and it's been cancelled? Let me know your experiences. It's picked up more than 27,000 signatures, and as we know, if you look here, almost 40,000, 38,639,000. Okay, as you can probably imagine, the unusual petition has firmly divided opinions online, which I agree, because as I said, there's a lot of room for corruption to take place if you allow instructors to sign off anyone they wish, who they feel has the ability to pass a driver license, but again, they can pass anyone at their discretion. Debate was sparked after it was shared by a Twitter user over the weekend who said it may be the worst one by far. Okay. And it seems as though plenty of people agree with him. One person responded, hell of a difference being in a car with an instructor than being out on the road by yourself, which is absolutely true. That's the reason why insurance can be high for new drivers, because once you start driving independently by yourself, you won't have the extra set of eyes with an instructor such as myself sitting with you. Plenty of solo drivers fail their test multiple times by making simple mistakes, but mistakes that in real world would get someone killed. Again, you can't disagree with that. Yes, it might be possible that you're going to make mistakes in your driving test, and they can be really serious, and an examiner and an instructor would have to stop you and just be safe. And if you were to get a driving license with that mistake, yes, it's possible that you may cause a severe or dangerous situation. Another chipped in, I may be a learner driver sick of having things cancelled, but I would never want to sign that. I want what other learner drivers are like. I don't even feel that safe to drive. I certainly don't want people to just get past without a test. So what do you guys think? These are some of the opinions of people online. Let's see if there's anything else. But not everyone slammed the petition. One man who said he was a driving instructor wrote, seriously though, I am a driving instructor and there needs to be a system in place to improve how this farce has played out. Absolutely, I wouldn't disagree with that statement. It doesn't mean he's agreeing with the fact that he would be willing to sign off people. He just said there needs to be a better system, not as simplistic as the above, but a system where the learner has to log out hours signed by the instructor detailing what they have covered. Again, you can also leave room for corruption to take place. If I was to just sign off the amount of hours that you guys are doing, anybody can fake it. That way, instead of people who are test ready having to wait months and months for tests, the DVSA would be in a position to prioritize learners who are test ready rather than having people who have had 5 lessons and booked a test early clogging up the system. So let me know what you guys think. I know we've made a video already, but this is now on Ladbible, quite a big, like I said, million people following it. And just a quick briefing in this article here from the BBC, as Matt Hancock made a press conference today. So let's see what they said regarding the virus. So there's a summary on the left. Let's see. Health Secretary Matt Hancock says 37,475 people are in the UK hospitals with the virus, the highest total yet. someone is being admitted to hospital with coronavirus every 30 seconds. A further 599 people have died within 28 days of the positive coronavirus test. Let's see what they're saying here. What's happened in the UK and around the world. With the highest number of hospital admissions since the pandemic began, the BBC's Clive Murray has been to the Royal Hospital where he has spent time with the staff. No, we're not about that. Let me see. More than 4 million people in the UK have received the test, a first dose, of the coronavirus vaccine. The Commons have backed a non-binding Labour motion calling for the £20 increase in universal credit to be continued beyond March. So a bit of help out there for people who are unemployed. So it just seems like they're just reiterating what they've talked about previously and just stating a few facts and figures. So nothing too new here. So again, stay safe, guys. Keep your distances, and hopefully we'll get back to normal in the near future, especially in terms of learning to drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the button for all the latest videos.